The last topic that I'll mention before we go to Q&A is a new group that was announced called Powered by Snowflake. And what Powered by Snowflake is a department set up within inside of Snowflake to help our customers who are building applications on top of Snowflake. We had Adobe speak at our summit last month and really talk about how our platform and their applications built on top of Snowflake is benefiting their customers. BlackRock, one of the largest financial institutions, has built or is building their Aladdin application on top of Snowflake. And Snowflake is working with them through this Powered by team to do a number of things, including helping them build the products faster, better, using best practices with our architect teams, our product teams working with their architect and product teams, the support they need to grow their business and making sure that Snowflake has their customers' backs, and making sure that all the support and attention they need for these applications that are business critical to our customers are getting the attention that they need and deserve to make sure that the Snowflake platform and the Powered by Snowflake applications they're building really give benefit to all of the different elements that they're introducing to their organizations.